Now mixtures are great because you can break them down into their parts. Let's take the sugar water and try to separate it. Just heat it, and evaporation leaves the sugar behind with the water condensed above. For a chalk water mix, just pour it through a filter paper. The filter will collect the chalk pieces and the water will pass through. Filtration can be used for most solid liquid mixtures. Oil can be separated from water using decantation. Oil settles on top of water and can be poured out. Sand or soil in water can also be separated. Wait for the sand to settle at the bottom. This is sedimentation. And then use decantation to pour the water out. So you can see there are several ways to separate mixtures. The process of separating a mixture's components is called separation. So a mixture may contain many pure substances, but each one can be pulled apart most of the times to reveal its true nature.